Hi everybody and welcome to week 6. We have made it. Please congratulate yourself on finishing one more course and you're one step closer to reaching your goal. This week's topic on evidence-based practice has the following competencies. Apply evidence-based practice as a component of healthcare decision. Describe the standards of your healthcare facility set to guide individuals in performing safe and effective care. Discuss the use of clinical practice guidelines in promoting evidence-based practice. Summarize the strategic components of effective leadership utilizing the concepts discussed in this course from a practicing leader. And discuss the importance of evidence-based practice enhancing the role of nurse leaders and managers to achieve quality improvement in healthcare. So we have some readings on quality control, and I've also added a couple readings. I put this in a separate announcement as well that kind of tie together the impact of nursing leadership and evidence-based practice. Your final project for this course is to interview a practicing nurse leader and summarize their perspective on at least 3 of the strategic components or concepts that we explored in this course. So this is just some of them. We talked about human behavior and organizational structure. We talked about ethical principles, advocacy, planning, shared goals, informatics and technology, teamwork, collaboration, negotiation. We talked about evidence-based practice and quality improvement. So you want to try to get the perspective of this nurse leader on at least 3 of these concepts and how they use it in their practice. So I hope you guys have enjoyed and learned as much as I did from this course. It was really good getting to know each and every one of you, and I thank you all for sharing your expertise, because without you, this course really wouldn't be as effective. Thanks, everybody.